from a magazine. Been looking for the answers ever since we were 17. You know the truth can be a weapon to fight this world of ill intentions. A new answer to the same question: how many times will you learn the same lesson? I think they got it all wrong. We just gotta hold on and on and on and on. 'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry, and it's about to be legendary. This is what we came for. We couldn't want it any
That was back in 95. Today, he's a Russian guy, Ed Nikoporenko. He lives in Texas now. But he was on our crew and he made this for my mom. And every year we bring it out at the World Finals on Saturday night. Fill it up and have fun.
the truth, but they think it's just made up. And I think they got it all wrong, but we just gotta hold on and on and on and on. 'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry, it's about to be legendary. Eventually they're gonna know who's right. To make a stand you got to win the fight. Can't stand the heat and just the afterlife, or you might never make it out alive. You gotta live without a compromise. Let everybody hear your battle cry. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry, and it's about to be legendary. Hey! Oh, oh.
Okay, 5 minutes.
I feel great. Lots of help from people last night. Cole Irick, Chris Irick, Veldkamp, Nick Veldkamp. People that came over when we were just stuck there with no lights doing everything. So if I forgot to name anybody that was there working with us last night, thank you very much. This is possible.